Okay, you ready? You ready for hand brush? Hand paint? Yeah, let's do it. Hey, first thing first, let's roll it up. Let's roll it up. Not yet. Roll it up. That is the brush that we'll be using. Yes. Okay, so you have to be helping Mama, alright? We'll use it pink. Okay, we'll use pink brush. I'm gonna try to squeeze it in here and get enough paint like this. Wow. Wow. Mama, that was enough paint. It's pretty good amount of paint. Okay? Alright, you ready? Left hand, please. Left hand. Alright, you ready? Wow. Wow. Now, would you like to palm down? Palm down. Wow, beautiful, look, beautiful. Now the right hand, how am I supposed to do this without, okay, let's do the printing. Okay, good. Oh, so hang tight. So we're gonna do the, I hope it works. All right. Palm, yes. As if you are doing clap, clap, clap. Yes, that's not bad. All right, palm down. Woohoo, great job. All right, so look, palm.